Today we're hunting the boss baby, near and far, under tables, but we will have some help. Accompanied by Captain Underpants, of course.
My free Steam gift card giveaway. It's an exciting one, I gotta say. The boss baby, man, the boss baby. It's an original.
Oh wow, Puffins. We found a hunch.
He's coming. He's coming.
Seeing the boss baby on cereal brand made me think about where cereal comes from. Nature. So I went out scavenging to see what I could find. If the boss baby lurks out in nature. I don't think I found it. The fidget spinner helped, of course.
Zachy here ordered 6 McDonald's cheeseburgers.
The whole background thing that nature comes back to food. Food makes nature. Nature makes food. So I came down here and bought a couple burgers and tried to look for the boss baby. Maybe it's just a little bit of break.
It's just a mess, man. Am I gonna die? Diabetes?
I wasn't hoping the boss baby was here, because he'd probably beat me up, man, but I came looking for something even better. Captain Underpants. The legend, the hero. Someday. I will find him. But I gotta finish food first.
6 more?
I may die before this investigation is over.
I'm ready. I'm gonna find my true love in life. Where's my Gatorade?
I decided to investigate some relatives of the boss baby. I knew the boss baby loved food, but I didn't know he loved fun and games. So that's why we had to come check it out. Check it out.
Life begins, life will end.
I tried to see if Austin from Austin Alley and Keemstar were a good match.
Like emojis, man,
The machine didn't approve.
Faxing it to you? What's taking so long? Yeah, man. Windows XP. We need Clippy on this stuff, man. It's the boss baby. As you can see there, they're blonde and blue eyes, the superior race, as one Hitler said. There we go. Printing error. Oh my god, that's a restart.
Are you serious?
Oh. This thing's gonna take up like a gigabyte of your space on this thing. Something else is downloading.
Time for a spin, win, smoke break. We're back out here in the forest, the dirt, with a fidget spinner. Searching for the boss baby, once again. No purpose, mostly. Still nothing. Nothing left.
It's all sticky, man, on the freaking machine. There we go. Come on. Again? No. Please call attendant. Oh. We can't let them know.
Obviously, we couldn't let the attendants know what we wrote specifically in that information, so we had to give up.
Let's call it a day.
Of course. Major bummer. No boss baby.
Just wanted to see if I was in love.
I was down in the dirt. I needed help from the crusty Asian and the crusty troll. Crusty Asian was great for travel. Traveling long distances, far and wide, and he helped me learn on culture. A lot of newer tunes going on. You know.
Now let's run our own ways.
The crusty troll provided minor skills and more. Back to the dandy fields we go.
I need to take this fucking jacket off. Because it's turning the fucking frogs gay.
It's turning the frogs gay.
Does it say frickin' or fucking?
I don't know.
In the end, we learned nothing. We got nothing, but except for stomach problems, of course, and a lot of sweaty time put into it. That fidget spinner broke. That's a bummer. Those McDonald's sandwiches didn't go down right. So. Rock and roll McDonald's. Rock and roll McDonald's. Big fat, Nick Mac. What a stuff on my jibbity. In the end, there was no point to the Boss Baby nor Captain Underpants. Major letdown, major clickbait may have been introduced. Forgive me. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry this is pointless in the end, but it was worth it.